P0A80-123. Replace hybrid battery pack. Description: the HV battery uses nickel metal hydride batteries and does not require external charging. The Power Management Control ECU controls the sock of the HV battery at a constant level during driving. The HV battery is composed of 28 modules, and each module consists of 8 1.2 V cells in series. The battery smart unit monitors battery block voltage at 14 locations. Each battery block is composed of 2 modules in a set. Difference in voltage between battery blocks is larger than the standard. Trouble area: HV battery assembly or battery smart unit. Hint: monitor description. P0A80-123 will not be set unless the vehicle is driven for approximately 10 minutes after clearing the DTC. The battery smart unit, which monitors the voltage of the battery blocks, determines that malfunction has occurred if a voltage difference between the battery blocks exceeds the standard. When the malfunction detection condition is satisfied, the Power Management Control ECU will illuminate the MIL and set a DTC. Confirmation driving pattern: 1. Connect the tech stream to the DLC. 3. 2. Turn the power switch on and turn the tech stream on. 3. Clear the DTCS. 4. Turn the power switch off. 5. Turn the power switch on and turn the tech stream on. 6. Perform a universal trip. 7. With the select lever in N, leave the vehicle until sock drops to 30%. Hint: although DTC P3000 may be stored if the sock drops to 20% or lower, this is not a malfunction. 8. Enter the following menus: powertrain, hybrid control, trouble codes. 9. Check that permanent DTCs are cleared. Hint: if the permanent DTC is not cleared, repeat steps 6 and 7. If a permanent DTC is output, the system is malfunctioning. If no permanent DTC is output, the system is normal. Inspection procedure: 1. Check DTC output. DTC P0AFC123 is output. See P0A7A. B. Go to DTC chart. A. Continue to next step. 2. Check battery smart unit. See P0A7A. B. Replace battery smart unit. C. Hybrid drive systems. Battery system, hybrid drive, battery condition monitor, service and repair, components. Or replace HV battery assembly. C. Hybrid drive systems. Battery system, hybrid drive, battery, hybrid drive, service and repair, components. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.